Hello and welcome back to Chapter 9 in the Dreamweaver series, Maximising Site Design. And in this particular video, we're going to be creating a new snippet. Now, if you want to use something again and again and again, then a snippet is a good option. To show you how to use a snippet, I want you to go and open up the Garden Tips webpage. So into Files, find Garden Tips. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is to select the table. So you can click anywhere you like inside, as long as you've got the flashing cursor. Then go to Modify and Table and select Table. So what we have here is a styled 3-column table, and we're going to save it as a snippet. And to do that, at the bottom of the snippets panel, which is here, we have this plus, which says New Snippet. Let's select that. And we've got to give in our snippet box the proper name. This is a very generic name. So we're going to call it veggie underscore table. And then under description, I'd like you to put a 3-column styled table listing the Latin family names of common vegetables. So let's go and do that. A 3-column styled table listing the Latin family names of common vegetables. If we click on the insert block, we're able to see more of it, more of the code for this table, this HTML code. And by having it in the design view, we don't have to go to the code view. So that's what we have there. Once we've gone and put all of this in, click OK. Now, if I make this a bit wider, you can see that the snippet is in fact in this snippet box here, and above you can see the table in HTML form. So there's no cascading style sheet which is giving color to this. It's only HTML. You may find that your veggie table is in one of these folders. If it is, don't worry, we're going to be putting in its own folder. So to create our own folder, we need to go to this one here, which says New Snippet Folder. And what I'd like you to put in is called OU Snippets. Once we're in there, we just grab our veggie table, go over the folder, and it'll go in. So if I scroll down, you can see that in the OU Snippets, the vegetable snippets is there. Let's just do that. Okay, so we want to use this snippet. So how do we do that? Well, close the Garden Tips HTML, go into Files, and what we're looking for is the file name, Latin name. So you'll want this one, so double click. Okay, we want to put this table underneath this line here. So make sure you've got your cursor flashing just after vegetables and go return. And once you've got that, you've got the space that you need. Now I want you to go back into the snippets panel, open the OU snippets. You might need to scroll down and double click on vegetable snippet. And you can see that the table has been inserted into this web page, and the cascading style sheets associated with this particular Latin named web page has added all the cascading style to the table. Okay, so that's what we've got and done there. One final thing to show you is that we are able to edit some details in the snippets panel itself. So what we have the vegetable snippet here. I'm going to go and click on Edit Snippet. Up comes this box that we saw earlier. Now what I want you to do is to change the table width value to 350. So what we have in this part here, table width, I want to change that to 350. 350. And click OK. Now, what you will not see are any changes to the table in the Latin names HTML because it's not linked to the snippet. However, if you were to use that vegetable snippet again in any other web page, then the changes would be evident. So have a go at all of that. Make sure that you go File, Save All. So let's go and do that. File, Save All. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.